How you going, guys? Got another unboxing video. Today is the Tamiya Porsche 911 GT2 Road version, Club Sport. This one is a little bit more basic than usual. The shell sort of all comes in one piece. But yeah, let's have a look. We'll open it up. Okay, so this is the body for the model, as you can see, with a lot of the Aoshima stuff, sometimes some of the Tamiya stuff. These are sort of things that you'll do yourself. For instance, I'm doing the big 240Z at the moment, and over fenders are something that's separate that you sort of do yourself. Also, cutting guards is something that's popular in the Aoshima kits, whereas this one is all sort of one body. Looks like you have a spoiler that you can put on, but yeah, as you can see, the body is all one piece when it comes to over fenders, side skirts, rear bumper, front bumper, that sort of thing. But all kits are different, so some take a short amount of time to complete, some take longer. Ones like this usually take a bit shorter of time to complete. But yeah, we'll go through some of these parts. First of all, let's look at the instructions here. It's sort of your completed model, lots of different decals, but it's a pretty thin booklet. This one shouldn't take me too long, probably a couple of weeks to be honest. As you can see here, not very many parts within the kit. As far as I know, the engine, this sort of annoyed me a little bit with this kit. So you have the engine that you can see from underneath, but there's like no internals or anything that gets built on top of it, I believe, because it's all covered sort of by the rear end. But it would be cool if they sort of added those details in and you're able to have a hinged rear, but it is what it is. It comes with a full roll cage though, which is pretty cool. I've never had a car with a roll cage, so that's going to be interesting to put together and paint, detail. These are your decals. It's also got inside of here, it's like a fake sort of chrome material. I've opened it up and had a bit of a look before. Here we go. So I'm not quite sure what that's used for exactly just yet. I'll find out when I get into the model. But yeah, from what I can tell, it's just like a chrome sticker. These are your decals. So with this one, it's got seatbelt decals. I may even get a little fancy with this one and potentially just make some seat belts just for a bit of added flair, since the kit probably won't take that long. Some body parts here, spoiler. It's got two different racing seats. I'm not sure quite what the difference is between the two of them. Sometimes these trees come from different kits, so potentially this is just from a different Porsche kit. More steering wheels and stuff here, so that could be the case, that this is just a different Porsche kit and this is the one that's actually for this model. You've got the Club Sport rims there, which I believe they're not branded, but they kind of look like a BBS rim. I assume that's probably what they are on the real life car. Usually those European cars sort of have BBS or something similar. Looks like you got a different stuff to put together, but yeah, pretty basic. You have your brake rotors there, nice tires. The rears are wider than the front. It's sort of displayed in the picture on the box. As you can see here, it sort of displays that the tires are way wider on the back than they are on the front. But yeah, this is a pretty basic kit for me. I just like Porsches, so I would probably just end up buying all the different Porsche kits no matter how basic or involved they are, and just putting my own spin on it. Not exactly sure what colour I'm going to paint this yet. I do like the yellow that is on the box. It's a very popular Porsche colour as well, yellow, so I may just do something similar to that. But yeah, that is the Tamiya Porsche 911 GT2 Road version Club Sport kit. Cheers for that. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you again next time.